that look like this. These are the cathodes. These are uncoated.
Nice.
You have these terminals, and then you'll have an anode on the other side. And in between this, we have a poly casing. Okay?
How many amps is this thing running? A lot?
I have to go back and double check on this. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you.
Wow.
Looking at the order. Maybe 1,000, somewhere in that range. But what it does is, so you take this and you put the bipolars in there, right? So you have anode cathode stack all the way down.
Right.
What we then do is, because of your electrical issue with the bridging in a metallic cell, these are all inserted into an FRP shell.
Right.
So what we do is we take a piece of CPVC pipe, we wrap the OD in multiple layers of fiberglass to give it more strength, and that is the electrolyzer unit as a whole.
Right. I'm using, for the water treatment, the ones I showed, what's his name? Steve. We use the membrane housing of RO.
Perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
So the membrane cell going through.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay.
So,